Hello, and welcome to Easy English. We're here to help you learn English through easy to understand conversations. Today, we're going to be talking about the color orange. This first video, there is a guy talking on an orange phone, and he's smelling a flower. You can see the flower here is yellow with green stems. There is an orange background in behind. Now this girl is wearing an orange shirt in front of an orange background, and she has the same flower. She's playing a game called He Loves Me, He Loves Me Not. So each time she pulls a petal, she says, he loves me, then he loves me not. And the answer at the end is the answer that's supposed to be true. What do you think? Do you think that he loves her or he loves her not? Here we have two girls sitting on a beach, and they're waving their feet back and forth. You can see that these socks are orange and these socks are green. They're both wearing blue jeans and white sandals. And you can see the sand in underneath. Now here we have a little puppy statue that is yellow or orange, and there's a girl's hand on it. You can see that they're on an orange rug, and the girl's wearing an orange dress and an orange hat, and she's on an orange pillow and also has an orange suitcase, and the wall itself is also orange. And you can see yellow binoculars right here. Now this girl is drinking an orange juice. I'm not too sure what type of juice it is because it seems to have a lot of little seeds in it, so it's probably a mixture. Fresh fruit juice is very good for your health. She's wearing a black shirt, and there's a black wall in behind. Now here we have a piece of paper being folded into an orange airplane. I used to play with these all the time when I was a kid. Did you? He looks like he's very good at folding this airplane. The nose is nice and pointy, and it has a wing on each side. Now here, the girl is watching TV, trying to change to the channel. She's smiling and laughing and eating an orange snack. There's also some fruit in an orange bowl. It doesn't look like she was able to get the television to work. Again, she's on a blanket. Now these two are riding on a motorcycle. You can see that he has a light orange shirt, and she has an orange shirt with black dots on it. They're weaving the motorcycle back and forth, and there's a bridge in the background and a car right behind them. You can see clouds in the sky and green trees off to the side. Now here is our girl again. You can see the binoculars and the briefcase and the puppy from earlier. She's looking off to the side. I think she sees something. She seems surprised while looking through the binoculars. I wonder what she saw. She seems a little bit confused. Here, it looks like dye, orange dye, is in water, and it's being mixed in circles. You can see it's a bright orange at the top, and then as it dilutes, it becomes a bright yellow towards the bottom. And here she is. She has a lemon in her hand, and she got scared by a car. The car rolled out of nowhere, right at her. Please explore our most popular video above. Have a good day.